We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned how we can look for trade, and we mentioned about the different possibility. Even we point made if this one turned to a deeper corrective move, we can expect the price to drop. Anyway, the price drop, and even there was no proper trade setup for sell unless we trade based on lower time frame. And no one see whether this is the start of the reversal or still we can expect this one turn to be a correction for continuation. Okay. First of all, if we put this one in relative to the previous top, any of this, we want to see what we have. We can see the divergence. No, based on MACD, we don't have the divergence unless we relative to this. And here we can see the divergence. Okay, no, the question is, can we expect this one turn to a deeper correction similar to what we get here for this big move? Okay, now how we can look for trade? But first we move to daily chart. Based on daily chart, we can look for the flat, but still we can expect this one to drop some more. That means as long as this one haven't break the previous low, we will be within this flat. Then any reversal based on lower time frame for buy, we will take the trade. If I move to forward chart, that means we want to put this one in relative to this. But the only thing is whether this is the start of the reversal or the deeper correction similar to what we get here for one more drop. If we refer to the indicators based on 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, we don't have the divergence. That means may this one turn to a deeper correction. But if we get any trade set up for buy, we will take it and we start to manage it. If it turns to a corrective move, we know that may this one turn similar to what we get here for this flat. Anyway, we move to 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can trade based on 1 hour chart. And if we move to 1 hour chart right now, if we want to look for trade for buy, we need to see if we get the deeper correction here, we can look for trade. But if we get any trade, we want to see the breakout of the stop. In this case, if we get any trade from here, we want to see the breakout of this top. Okay, and what we're looking for continuation, and we should know if this one turned to a corrective move, we should be aware of the bigger flat. Okay, how about having entry above this can be an option in case the price sharply continue from here. But since we get the correction here, I don't suggest to have entry above this. It depends on the traders. We prefer to get the trade from if we get any correction here. All right. Again, we're looking for the buy, but the only thing is if we get any buy, we want to get the continuation with the sharp move. And one more thing we need to bear in mind. How about this one? We have seen this kind of the correction flat. Okay, expanding flat. How about can we put this one relative to this for one more drop? And that's mean if you want to buy here, you're buying at the top of this flat. Then how we can look for trade? That's why let this one turn to deeper correction. If we get any trade from here, we will take with the continuation as a short move and once the price break the previous stop. If not, we are not going to keep the trade. Even if we get a trade, we take all that. Okay. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.